is a private pilot. Today he plans to take a friend on a scenic flight on his aeroplane to showcase the stunning landscapes of southern France. They depart from Aix-en-Provence airfield, heading towards the northern side of the Sainte-Victoire mountain. Matthew is a professional pilot working for a specialized operations company. On this day, he has been tasked to fly a photographer to capture images of the historic priory on Sainte-Victoire mountain for a tourism brochure. Matthew's helicopter takes off just a few minutes after Bob's aircraft. During the flight, Bob points out the unique features of the landscape and highlights the most famous landmarks in the area. His friend takes photos from the aircraft while both remain focused on the scenery. Despite the sightseeing, Bob continually monitors his aircraft's parameters and remains vigilant for other air traffic, which can be dense in this area. Meanwhile, Matthew follows the photographer's directions to position the helicopter for the best possible shots. He remains highly focused on flight parameters, especially since some maneuvers, such as out-of-ground effect hovers, are technically demanding. He carefully manages the helicopter's power, monitors wind conditions, and maintains awareness of obstacles and the designated flight path. Some photos are taken close to the cliffside in accordance with a special altitude exemption granted by the Aviation Authority. Both aircraft are now operating in the same area. Since they are flying in uncontrolled airspace, it is up to the pilots themselves to ensure sufficient separation to prevent a mid-air collision. Having seen EASA's presentations on avoiding mid-air collisions at the Aero Show in Friedrichshafen in the south of Germany, Bob is now flying with an iConspicuity device that transmits ADSL out and also receives ADS-B on a different frequency. His device is also connected to a mobile app compatible with ADSL and connected to the mobile network during flight. Matthew's helicopter, on the other hand, is equipped with a full ADS-B in and out system, including an audio alert feature. His GPS displays nearby ADS-B traffic in real time. He also uses an ADSL mobile application integrated with his moving map system for enhanced situational awareness. Matthew is flying at a lower altitude than Bob. While he scans the sky for traffic, his attention is heavily focused on the photography mission, which demands significant concentration. Bob is focusing on scanning outside the cockpit for other aircraft, but he is unaware that a helicopter is flying below him, close to the cliffside. The terrain and landscape features make visual detection difficult, further complicating the situation. Matthew's GPS traffic display shows no traffic alerts or audio warnings. However, while checking his moving map for the return route, he notices a traffic alert on his tablet. He quickly realizes that the nearby aircraft is not equipped with an ADS-B system, which is why it didn't appear on the GPS traffic display, but was showing on the application. Looking outside and above, Matthew spots the other aircraft flying at a slightly higher altitude. Following the guidance from his system, he adjusts his flight path to climb gradually, ensuring a safe separation without getting too close to the other aircraft. Meanwhile, Bob then sees a notification on his traffic awareness app, and the application helps him locate the nearby helicopter. Recognizing the situation, Bob maintains his current flight path, allowing the helicopter to pass safely below.
Be seen, be aware, and stay safe. Be seen. See and avoid isn't enough. Join the iConspicuity community by equipping your aircraft with an interoperable electronic conspicuity device to broadcast your position. Be aware. Choose the right iConspicuity solution for you. There are 3 interoperable ways to be aware of surrounding traffic in flight. Certified ADS-B, non-certified ADSL systems, and using direct transmissions, ADSL-based mobile applications. Additional proprietary solutions exist, though they may not be fully compatible with each other. ADSL applications and systems collect inputs from different sources and provide the highest possible interoperability today and in the future. Stay safe. Train on your system. Know and understand your system's performance and limitations.